Hey there, ever wondered about comprehensive coverage in auto insurance? Let's dive in. Comprehensive coverage is an optional type of auto insurance that protects your vehicle from damage caused by events other than collisions. While collision insurance covers accidents with other vehicles or objects, comprehensive coverage extends protection to a broader range of perils. Comprehensive coverage includes protection against natural disasters like storms, hurricanes, floods, and earthquakes. It also covers incidents such as vandalism, theft, fire, falling objects, and collisions with animals. This type of insurance helps cover the cost of repairing or replacing your vehicle if it's damaged or destroyed by any of the covered perils. Keep in mind that comprehensive coverage usually comes with a deductible, which is the amount you'll need to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in to cover the rest of the repair or replacement costs. Overall, comprehensive coverage provides valuable protection against a wide range of non-collision related incidents, offering peace of mind and financial security for vehicle owners.